I'm getting ready to flow. Oh my goodness gracious, a new environment to be okay that with. Means another place for me to be alive and do a switcheroo to get through. And while I can turn this sound upside down, it's a super flip, easy, emotional pop. What I'm telling you, this is the best that you got to with you. To remind myself how connected we are around the planet, I zoom to get from this place to that. I'll use this fact, and while I will never be, I can hear the water boiling. You can't hear it boiling. What's wrong with you? If you ain't got this type of vision, you belong in a zoo, 'cause it all stinks. P.U. It is, I've been trying to all the ways that it flows. Not okay with it no more.
Lost. Already lost in the thought.
Tired. That's movement,
for sure.
just and a little bit louder. See? You don't have to be scared of loud noises.